Have you ever seen ads for these and ever wondered what actually is a brokerage account? A brokerage account is the account that lets you buy, sell, and hold investments. Think of it like a place where your investments live. The brokerage is the company or platform you use. That could be something like Wealthsimple, Questrade, Interactive Brokers, TD Direct Investing, Qtrade, Moomoo, or another investment platform. The account type is something like a tax-free savings account, a registered retirement savings plan, an FHSA, an RESP, an LIRA, a margin account, or a non-registered account. And the investment is what you buy inside that account, such as an ETF, a stock, a GIC, or other investment product. So these are three different things. The brokerage is the platform, the account is the container, and the investment is what goes inside. For example, you could open a tax-free savings account at Wealthsimple and buy an ETF inside it. Or you can open up a registered retirement savings plan at Questrade and buy a stock inside it. The important thing to understand is that opening a brokerage account does not mean you have invested yet. It simply gives you the ability to invest. So once the account is open, you still have to deposit money, choose what to buy, and understand any fees or features that come with that platform. That is why choosing the right brokerage matters. Some platforms are better for beginners, some are better for low fees, some are better for US dollar investing, some have more account types, and some are better for advanced tools. So before you open up a brokerage account, do not just ask which app looks the easiest. Ask which platform has the accounts, the features, the fees, and tools that actually fit what I need. That is what I'm comparing for Canadians in this next video over here.